Hey, Jake, how's the weather over there in New York?
Hey, Emma, it's terrible. We're having a huge snowstorm. Everything is covered in snow, and it's freezing. What about in Florida?
Wow, that sounds intense. Here in Florida, it's the opposite. It's raining heavily, and we're expecting thunderstorms later.
Yikes, bad weather in both places. Are you still going to the beach this weekend, or is it canceled?
Definitely canceled. The storm is supposed to last all weekend, so no beach for me. What about your basketball game?
Canceled, too. The roads are too dangerous, and the gym closed because of the storm.
That's frustrating. I was also supposed to go to an outdoor concert, but they postponed it.
That's a shame. I was looking forward to going skiing, but the ski resort shut down because of strong winds.
Wow, this weather is really ruining all our plans. Are schools closed in New York?
Yeah, they announced a snow day, so no school tomorrow. What about businesses in Florida?
Some stores are closing early because of the storm. My favorite cafe shut down for the day.
That's tough. So, what are you going to do instead of going to the beach?
Probably stay home, watch movies, and drink hot tea. What about you?
Same here. I'll stay inside, drink hot chocolate, and maybe read a book.
Sounds like a good plan. Hopefully, the weather improves soon.
Yeah, I really hope so. I hate being stuck inside for too long.
Me too. Let's call each other again when the weather gets better and make new plans.
That's a great idea. Stay safe, Emma.
You too, Jake. Talk soon.